Guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share the recipe of Nutella truffles, which you can do it in the Valentine's Day, and you can give it to your husband, guys, and he will definitely love this recipe. So please try this recipe at your home and give it to your husband or partner or to your boyfriend or to your girlfriend, so anyone. So today I'm going to share the recipe of Nutella truffles. This is the Valentine's Day special, guys. So for this recipe what you need, so this is the Nutella, and I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of Nutella, and here some cornflakes. So these things will always available at your home, guys. And this is some biscuits. So today I'm using the Mary biscuits, and I'm going to grind it as a coarse powder. So you can use Mary biscuit or any biscuit. And this is some butter, and I'm going to keep it in the microwave for 10 seconds. So these are the things, guys, only 4 ingredients, and we are going to make the Nutella truffles. And what you need, is the cupcake, not the cupcakes, the cup for the Nutella truffles. So like this, if you like pink, you can put it in the pink. So yeah, so let's start, guys. First I'm going to add the cornflake into this bowl. Then I'm going to add the biscuit. So you can use any Parle-G or milk biscuits, tea biscuits, anything which is available in your pantry. You can use that one. This recipe will take only 5 minutes, guys. 5 minutes. So I'm going to blend this one in a mixer. And I added some raisins also, that is kismis. You can make healthy recipe, guys. And here is the biscuit powder. So I'm going to add this one into this. And I'm going to add the butter. So you can add 2 tablespoons of butter. So I added 4 tablespoons of butter, and it's time to add the Nutella. So I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of Nutella. And I'm going to mix all these ingredients. And it's time to make small Nutella balls. So I will show you guys. So can you see? It should be like this. So it will be like this. I will show you one more. So instead of cornflake, you can add muesli too. Muesli is very good. So you have to make small laddus, and I'm going to make all the laddus now. Hey guys, so this is how I decorated the Nutella truffles in the plate with little bit of flowers. So the Valentine's Day is full of love and everything. So without flowers, nothing guys. So I added some flowers. It gives the nice look, the Nutella truffles. And here is the candle. So you can keep the candle here. I will close up my camera guys. So yeah, I will keep the candle here in the side. Yes, so this is full. So this is the quick video of how to make Nutella truffles in just 5 minutes with the home based ingredients. And it gives the nice look for the Valentine's Day guys, and please try this recipe at your home, and please like the hit button, and please subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching guys. See you soon in my another cooking video, and I wish all my viewers a happy Valentine's Day. See you soon. Bye.